Hey, it's David from CRP again. I'm back with more information on the brand new BMW valve cover program from Rein Automotive. In my last video, I talked about how the plastic OE valve covers for BMW N20, N52, N54 and N55 engines can crack or warp, and how CRP embarked on a quest to make a high-quality replacement part. Today, I'm going to go into a little more detail about the Rein brand valve covers themselves. For starters, you should know that we sell the covers individually and as kits. We're launching with the N20 and N52 applications, and we'll be rolling out the N54 and N55 ones soon. Note that these have integrated breather valves built in, so along with failures due to warping or cracking, if the breather fails, it means a new valve cover is needed. They also come with a few extras, namely the correct mating gaskets as well as gaskets for the spark plug tubes. Typically, the kit versions add a breather hose and OE oil cap. There are actually two different kits for the N52 engine. One includes an OE eccentric shaft sensor. When the sensor fails, you have to take off the valve cover to replace it, and we've heard that many shops are choosing to install a replacement valve cover as preventative maintenance. The other kit does not include the sensor for times that the sensor may be sourced separately or does not need to be changed. Oh, by the way, since the alternator commonly has to be removed when changing the breather hose on N52 engines, we include 4 aluminum alternator mounting bolts since they can't be reused. So that's the story with our brand new valve cover program. Remember that we're planning on rolling out new applications later this year. If you have a question about these new valve covers or any Rein part or kit, please post it below or on the CRP Automotive Facebook page. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to be among the first to learn about new parts like this one. Thanks for watching.